Was it only me feeling insecure and over-possessive? But the look on your face has grown cold and invasive. A little white lie cast a giant shadow now. Our love slipping off my fingertips, can we save it somehow?